This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Daniel Parrish. Stunning, meticulously cared for all-brick waterfront home in dock landing area of Western Branch. The floor plan offers 9 ft. Ceilings on the first level. There is formal living and dining. A great room opens to the kitchen and breakfast nook. Perfect for entertaining guests or just great space for all to enjoy. The kitchen and breakfast nook make for cozy dining overlooking a private backyard in the waterfront. New carpet, beautiful refinished real hardwood floors, large dining room that can accommodate many guests while you are entertaining in this fabulous upscale home. Second floor offers large master bedroom suite west/bath and an oversized closet. There are 3 additional bedrooms with Jack and Jill bath. The lot is 1.5 acres with a large new Trex deck. A 200 featuring dock with water and power that can accommodate a 25 feet plus boat. This custom-built home is in immaculate condition. All brick custom home and dock landing west/